How to bypass parental control on PC. Now, before doing this process, you need to be reminded that you need to do this at your own risk. This is applicable for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now, let's say, for example, you're currently on paused. What you need to do is you just need to restart or reset your network setting. To do that, just press on Windows and go to your settings, the gear icon. Then head over to Network and Internet. You scroll down and click on Network Reset. Now once you press reset, you'll just have to wait 3 to 5 minutes and it will automatically reset and restart on its own. So that's how you bypass parental control on your PC.